Y'all want to be a big hit this year? These are our 7-layer cookies. We make these every year and they go faster than we can make them. Best part is they're only 7 layers. They're still pretty warm. But look at that, beautiful. It's called 7-layer cookie because there's only 7 ingredients. You start with your butter on the bottom, graham crackers, butterscotch chips, chocolate chips, coconut, chopped pecans or walnuts. Top it off with your Eagle brand milk and boom, voila. Delicious. Stick of butter, 350, melt it. It's close enough. It'll melt the rest of the way on its own. Level surface if you can. And it's supposed to be a cup, but sometimes you gotta go a little more. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Alright, so just smooth it out. Nestle butterscotch. And you just sprinkle it about. Semi-sweet. 1 cup. Same thing. Baker's is the best.
Can you show that again?
Baker's
is the best. So it's 1 cup of
everything. 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of butterscotch chips, 1 cup of coconut, 1 cup pecans. You can use walnuts, chopped pecans, 1 cup, 1 can of Eagle brand. This recipe is gonna blow up. It's gonna be one of your #1 videos right here. Watch.
You sure that's enough coconut?
No.
I always thought I always had a mouthful of coconut.
We like a little extra. Well, it toasts and it fluffs up a little bit. So, we need a cup of chopped. You can use walnuts, but I like pecans. So, chop them. You don't want them real fine. You want pieces. Okay. Alright, so that's probably, you want to make sure your nuts, whichever you choose, goes on top of the coconut. And then, that's good. That's good. And last but not least, you want to cover as much as you possibly can with this. Easy peasy.
Yeah.
In the oven they go.
For how long?
20 minutes till they're golden brown. No, stop. You're not giving out
No.
This is secret recipe,
Yes,
Fudge or
it is.
fudges, yes. We
You-
have perfected this over the years.
and no one can else know what it is.
No.
No. Yes, if I open my own shop one day,
Your top secret.
fudge recipe.
You're really gonna fight me over that recipe.
You are not getting this recipe. Stop it.
You don't want to burn the edges. Perfect.